Hey everyone, welcome to Crypto with Awais. Today we are talking about something super important, Bitcoin. What is it? How does it work? And why do people care so much about it? Let's get it started. Bitcoin is a type of digital money. It was created in 2009 by a person, a group using the name Satoshi. Unlike normal money like dollars or rupees, Bitcoin is decentralized. That means no bank or government controls it. Bitcoin works using something called blockchain. Think of it like a digital notebook that records every Bitcoin transaction. Once something is written on this notebook, it can't be erased. That makes it safe and transparent. People use Bitcoin to buy things online, send money to others, or as an investment, like buying gold or property. Many people believe Bitcoin is the future of money. Bitcoin uses strong encryption, which makes it very hard to hack. But remember, if you lose your Bitcoin wallet password, your coins would be gone forever. So that's a quick intro to Bitcoin. If you found this helpful, give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Crypto with OS for more easy crypto videos. Got questions? Drop them drop them in the comments. I would love to help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Thank you so much.